Hi there, students. To suck it up. Suck it up. Okay, this is an expression meaning you have to deal with it. Yeah, to do the best you can, even if it's uncomfortable. Yeah, you have to just accept it and deal with it, to deal with something unpleasant. So I know we're hungry, but everybody's hungry. So just suck it up and deal with it. Yeah, don't complain. Yeah, just make an effort to deal with the situation as it is, because we can't change it. It's an informal way to accept an unpleasant fact or an unpleasant situation. Yes, this is going to be hard and difficult, but we're just going to have to suck it up. Yeah, we're going to have to like it or lump it. We're going to have to take it like a man. Yeah, just grin and bear it, deal with it, because nothing's going to change. Yeah, you have to just deal with your misfortunes without complaining. So it was a really hot day and there was very hard physical work to do. So we just had to suck it up and get on with it, because there was nothing else to do, nothing else to do except just get the job done. Yeah, so to endure something unpleasant, something dissatisfactory, this is the only bar in the whole place. So suck it up or leave. There's no other option. Yeah. This was the only job available for him, so he just had to suck it up, even though he hated it. So notice this phrase is more American than British, but a Brit will understand this very well. Notice, don't confuse this with to suck up to somebody. Yeah, to try to suck up to somebody, to try to make somebody who's in authority approve of you by saying things that please them, to be sycophantic, yeah, to brown nose, yeah, to try to get in somebody's good book. So he's always sucking up to the boss. Okay, but that's different. Yeah, this is to suck it up. Yeah, suck the situation up, I guess. Yeah, but most commonly suck it up. Yeah, you may not like it, but just suck it up, because there's nothing else that you're going to be able to do. There's no other alternative. Yeah, there's no alternative except just to suck it up and take it. Yeah, to bite the bullet and get on with it. Yeah, it might not be fun sucking it up, but there's nothing else to do. The crowd were booing at the performer and shouting and catcalling him or at him, but he just sucked it up and continued with his act. There was just nothing else to do. Yeah, if somebody's making fun of you, just suck it up and get on with what you're doing. Yeah, because if you react to them, it'll just they'll just keep teasing you even more. Yeah, I think sucking it up is a fact of life. It's something that, well, we just have to do. We might not enjoy sucking it up, but, well, there are many moments in life where sucking it up's the only thing to do. Okay, formality. I think this is fairly informal. I think I'm going to give it a 3.5 to 4 in formality. Informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, just about, but probably no more than that. And as to the origin, I think it's probably related to suck your chest in. Yeah, and stand tall and just carry on with it. To suck up your chest. But to suck it up, to grin and bear it, to deal with it, to push through it, to take it on the chin, yeah, to swallow the pill, yeah, just to never say die and keep on going, yeah, just don't let it get you down. Okay, so to suck it up. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you had to suck it up, I'm sorry. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Suck it up.